Hello, we are a Taiwanese company specializing in the manufacturing of completely starch-based environmentally friendly materials. We handle the entire production process, from granulation, sheet manufacturing, injection molding, extrusion, film blowing, to the final product. All our products are derived from fully biodegradable materials created through the blending of entirely starch-based substances and unique formulations. None of our products contain any plastic particles, including PP, PE, PS, PVC, PET. Our company has obtained major certifications recognized globally and adheres to regulations governing international imports and exports. With a shared dedication to earth preservation, we are actively working together to combat global warming and ocean pollution. We significantly differ from commonly found plant fibers, paper coatings, bamboo fibers, seaweed, sugarcane, tea residues, and PLA on the market. We do not incorporate any harmful additives or polymers in our blending and shaping process.